great race event has come to Sodor. The engines are so excited as there are fantastic racetracks all over the island of Sodor. All the engines are invited, so come and boost, jump, spin and flip in crazy races to the finish line in Go, Go, Thomas! Go, go, Thomas! Choose your engine. Thomas! Choose a challenger. Thomas versus Rebecca. Ladies and ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect start. Superb. 2 laps to go. You're in the lead. Perfect. Final lap. The other racer has taken the lead. Brilliant. Magnificent race! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. Complete your cogwheel to upgrade your engine. A new challenger appears. Choose your engine, Thomas! This is your engine collection. You can tap on a card to see your engine close up. Are you brave? This pack contains 2 engines. Are you... No. Choose your engine. Are you brave enough to face the daring docks, plummet through containers, and jump off the biggest ship in Sodor? Comes with 2 new engines to add to your collection. It's a pulse pounding race to the finish line.